Hi guys, what is up? My name is Maliha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through on how exactly you can create this beautiful shiny card effect inside of Framer that you can use for your blog cards or product cards or basically anything that you want. With Framer, the sky is the limit, right? But without any more talking, let's just dive right into the video. Let's go. Okay, so the very first thing that we are going to do is obviously open up Framer, and we are going to come on here and we are firstly going to draw a frame. So I'm going to hit F on my keyboard, and then I'm going to draw a frame this way, just like that. And I'm going to scroll down, click on this fill option, and I'm going to click here to give me an image fill. Now I'm going to choose an image from my computer. I'm going to choose this one. I am going to slightly round off the edges this way. Sorry, the corners I meant. And now you can see we have this image. I'm going to also add some shadow to it. So blur it out just like this. So we are going to add a glow effect to it, but before we can start doing anything, we are going to turn this card into a component. So in order to turn this into a component, you are going to hit Ctrl-Alt-K on your keyboard, and I'm going to call this glowy card and hit enter on my keyboard just like this. So once we are here, you are going to again hit the F key on your keyboard for the frame shortcut, and you're going to draw a frame inside of the image frame just like this. And what I'm going to basically do is give it a pure white fill, and I'm going to click here on styles, and I'm going to click on filters and then click on blur, and I'm going to increase the blur value to maybe 25. And I'm basically going to play around with the sizing of this rectangle that we created. We want to make sure that it covers the entire area of this image, so I'm just going to adjust it like so, just like this. So now I'm going to click here and then decrease the opacity to maybe around 40. And once we are here, you are going to move this by hitting the space key on your keyboard to make sure that this rectangle stays inside of the frame and doesn't pop out. So you're going to drag it like this out of the frame. Okay, so now that our primary variant is created, you are going to click here on the hover/pressed state and then click on hover. And then you are going to click on this frame variant and then drag it while holding down the space key on your keyboard to the opposite end of the image outside of the frame, just like this. And now if you go ahead and preview your animation, you can see that we now have this shine effect. However, it is a little too long. So in order to slow it down a little bit, you're going to click on variant 1 primary, and you're going to see this option spring. Click on it, and I'm going to change it to physics. I'm going to give it a value of 150. And now if I preview it, you can see that the animation is a lot more smoother. And with that, we have wrapped up today's video. If you found this video helpful, you will most likely enjoy my other tutorial videos. If you have any question, as always, please let me know down in the comment box below. This is Maliha signing off, and I will see you next time. Alright, goodbye.